In order to access Eionet Forum or Eionet Project, connect to eionet.europa.eu and hover the cursor over Services. Amongst the several services offered by the Eionet portal, there are two groupwares. Eionet Forum and Eionet Project share the same software infrastructure. But while Eionet Forum is focused on hosting a workspace used for cooperation on a permanent basis, Eionet Project provides a workspace for ad hoc activities with a time-defined lifecycle. For the purpose of the video help exercise, we will use the Project's Eionet platform. Once in Project Eionet, note the available options on the left-hand side menu and the body of the page. Look for the section titled Interest Groups you can access without authentication at the top of the page. These are the interest groups where anybody can access and navigate through the content without a need for authentication. Now click on an interest group. We are now in a public interest group. Notice that we are not logged in and that the interface has changed. You can see the library section, the container of the documents, the About section for information about the interest group, and the Member Search section. You can find the same functionalities on the left-hand side of the page, together with other options. Click on the library to access the container structure. Let's now go back to the main page by clicking on Eionet Projects. Further down in the main page, we get to the section titled Interest Groups you need to be logged in with an Eionet account. In order to access one of these interest groups, you need to be known to the system. If you click on a restricted project, you will be asked for your credentials.